Uh, Hello students. In last lecture we had talked about one simple example of this building and estimating. In that we estimated the brickwork for a wall. Okay. Then we talked about this single wall footing, where we calculated some uh, foundation work, earthwork in foundation and lime concrete quantity estimation. Okay, like this last. Now we will talk about the method of building estimates. In this method of building estimates, the first method is separate wall or individual wall method. Okay, in this method, how to go for estimation we'll discuss. You can pause your video or just read this paragraph, so you will have an idea about this. Okay, in this lecture I will discuss about one numerical of that. We'll try to solve that also. Okay, in this method there is a concept of long wall and short wall method. This is a separate or individual wall method. Now we will solve this, just one page or one more page I will, so that you can read and you can pause your video and read it carefully. Okay. Okay, then this problem. Okay, in this problem we have to prepare the detailed estimate. This represents the plan structure of a wall of a single room building of size 5 meter by 4 meter. This is, let me show you, this is 5 meter width and length or width, whatever you want, 4 meter height. This is plan, and this is section AB. This is A, this is B, this is section AB, and here the section CD. Everything is given here. The width of wall is, thickness of wall thickness is 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter here, both the walls 30 centimeter thick. And the footing, this is first footing, second footing, this is plinth wall, this is ground level, this is 30 centimeter, this like 60 centimeter. Okay, so first we have to calculate in this exercise what earthwork in excavation in foundation, then concrete in foundation, and brickwork in foundation plinth, and brickwork in superstructure. So we are dealing this by separate wall method. Okay, so first we have to calculate the length of long wall and the length of short wall, center to center distance. This is your short wall, this is your short wall, 4 meter length, and this is your long wall. So what we do, just add this 5 meter, this is 5 meter, with the half of thickness of this wall thickness, and plus half of wall thickness, you will get the 5.3 meter. This is the center to center distance of long wall. This center to center distance of long wall, this is inner 5 meter, half of this thickness, half of this thickness, you will get the long wall distance. Similarly you will get the short wall distance, this 4 meter plus half of this thickness, half of this thickness. I am mentioning separately because if the wall thickness is different, you have to add both the wall thickness, but here the thickness is same, so no issue. Okay, so in this way you know you can compute the long wall distance and the short wall distance. In this method it is better to prepare the various plans at various levels. This plan is at the foundation level. This plan we will use for excavation and foundation concrete. Then that is a plinth level plan at first footing plan. This is second footing plan, this is third footing plan, and this is plan of superstructure. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. So make a table to prepare the detailed estimate. The headings are item number, particulars, then number of that items, length, breadth, height, quantity, and the explanatory note. Just prepare this note. Then first what we have to calculate, the earthwork in excavation in foundation. So first long wall and short wall. How many long walls? 2 long walls. How many short walls? 2 short walls. Then length all we already discussed, this 5.30 meter and 4.30 meter. You have to add this 0.90. Let me show you in the plan. Just see this plan. So this is 5.3 meter and this is 4.3 meter. You have to prepare the trench here for the excavation work. So what you do, you just add this length, this thickness, length or breadth of foundation. Don't confuse this with the wall thickness. This will be from section. You see in section the breadth is this 90 centimeter wide width of this of the trench or foundation. So this 90 centimeter, this is center line 5.30 meter, 45 centimeter this way and this way. You will prepare the plan. Okay, so 5.3 plus 4 9.90 6.20 meter, 4.30 minus 0.90 meter 3. Why we added 90 centimeter here and why subtracted here? You can see clearly. You have to excavate this area, this complete area. So while you calculate for long wall, you just add this thickness. Oh sorry, this is short wall now. You just this area is 2 times calculated if you don't subtract it from short wall and add it from in long wall. So this way you can add or subtract the this and you can calculate the excavation works. Just multiply this length, breadth and height you can calculate from the this height is this 30 plus 30 plus 30 90 centimeter this way plus 90 and you this 90 is up to ground level. Excavation will be up to the ground level, not plinth level, mind it. So I will use 90 centimeter only up to the ground level in both. Just multiply, simple mensuration, you will get the quantity of earthwork. Similarly, you want to calculate concrete in foundation, you have to long wall and short wall. This is you have to calculate the volume. The concrete thickness is 30 centimeter. In this concrete thickness is 30 centimeter. This is height and the width is 90 centimeter and length is same as the excavation length. The amount to be excavated will be concreted, will be used for the concrete work. So it is the same area. Okay, next we have to calculate the brickwork, first class brickwork in the foundation. So in first footing, second footing and plinth walls, all these 3 in long wall and the in short wall. Basically we divided the whole structure in 2 segments. One is associated with long wall, one is associated with short wall. So first footing plan is, this is plan of first footing, 5.30 meter. first footing पे width कितना है 60 centimeter. You can cross check it here. first footing पे width कितना है 60 centimeter. So in this way you just calculate the length and width and breadth, height and multiply it similarly. I hope it is clear. Here you can notice also one thing, that you are adding the width the thing in long wall and you are subtracting in short wall. As you go upside, you can see in the cross section that the width is reducing, means the offsets are there. So due to these offsets, this addition is changing and here this subtraction is changing. So if you imagine this, you can easily understand why you subtracted here and added here in long wall. Okay, so I think it is easy. You can calculate the brickwork in this way, and then brickwork in superstructure very easy. The total length plan of superstructure, this superstructure 5.3 plus 30 5.6, so it is 5.6 meter length, and subtract from the short wall, you will get the 4 meter length. So it is this way you can calculate. You can pause your video and just read this paragraph to have an extra knowledge and exercise. You do it yourself because this exercise is not so simple. and very very informative and very important. You just practice it yourself, you prepare, draw all diagrams, do every calculation yourself. Okay, so I stop here. Thank you. In next lecture we will talk about the center to center line method for the estimation of a of two room building. I think it is no, we'll do this problem in next lecture. Thank you.